Hello guys, welcome to Model Coders. Today I'm going to show you how the hackers using Angry IP scanner. Okay, let me move to the Angry IP scanner. Actually, how exactly it's working means it will try to connect all the IP to our internet IP, and it will find I'm just given 500. Okay, 500 is enough, and start. Okay, it will start to connect each IP to our system. If it is pinging means okay, it is connected to our system, so we can use it. Otherwise it is not pinged means it will disconnected. uh, it will find the cluster of the internet connected, okay, to our system. Okay, we will, it will taking a little bit time. Actually every internet is connected to the cluster of IP. Okay, like I'm connected to the Chinese IP, or I will connect to some other IP, but server will be run. Okay, I will be connected to a lot of device. Okay, through the internet. Okay, so I'm going to find which IP I have connected, which IP are not connected. Okay, it is shown. Now first thing is port number is not available. Better I can use this. Okay, to copy the host name. Now I'm going to use the host name, put it into the browser only very useful. Okay, it is used to find all the hosted things. Like a server is hosted means we can see in browser everything we can find using a browser, right? So today also we are going to use a browser. If you have no IP of any system connected to your computer means you cannot hack. You should know the port number also, otherwise you cannot hack the system. You have to know the port number, and after that you have to use what are the services running, and next thing is you have to use a penetration test. And you suddenly, if you know the IP means you cannot hack. Actually you should know the, some of them are hiding their IP while teaching something. They are hiding IP. That is waste of time, because they should need port number also. But if suppose they are trying with a lot of port number means it will be run. Okay, next thing is this one, Blackboard, am4 blackboard.com. I will check each of the things. It will directly give to the admin. Okay, this is a website, medical website, but it will directly give to administrator. Okay, so there is a, in this IP there is one website is hosted. In this IP there is one website is hosted. This is the one server. In this server this website is hosted, blackboard.com. This website is hosted. Okay, actually it is a for admin only, I think, because there is no create account, only login. If you forgot, it means you can change. This is admin, this is admin control. Okay, and the next thing is we will see, if you have a well talented to bypass this thing means you have no well hacking means you can bypass this and you can find the admin thing. Okay, this is the next one. Okay, next we will see this colon 80 port number also you should know. Colon 80 port number will be present here. Port number. Welcome to Nginx. If you see this page, Nginx web server is successfully installed and working. Further confirmation contact is available. Okay, actually it is run based on Angular. Angular is, it is run based on Angular. It is also some of the IP will directly give to you to the admin page, and you can, if you possible means you can, some of the web camera also available. If suppose I'm using something, some of the web camera also available. They can, we can, if there is using a default password means you can bypass the web camera also. I will try to use there is port not a port number available. We can try this one. If we have a Python means we can use we can check each by each. I will use this IP and port number. Colon 80. Okay, this is very secure one. Okay. Next thing is we will scan this one. I think this is a camera. Maybe there is a chance. Actually, they for admin side, it will directly give the rights to the admin. Error code resolving your IP, the proxy IP. Okay, site host name. This site is recently added. Okay, we can check this also. This website. Likewise, we can check each by each one. Some of them is available. Likewise, hacker will be use this site, use this Angry IP scanner, and find that site, and the admin control they will take over. Okay. Colon 80. Port number. Your app is set up. Web router directory. Replace the file. Upload your own file. Okay, it's also showing something. Likewise, it will shows a lot of things. Even if you have any, if you get any web camera means there will be default password means you can access the camera also, but you should need to have the plugins. We'll try this one. Okay, this is a Chinese website. Okay, we'll translate to English. The site you want to view currently has no default page. It may be upgraded and configured. Please visit the site later. If you still encounter the problem, please contact the site administrator. Okay, it is still in building here. It is a Chinese website, and if you have a, you can access through IP also. This is the IP of the website. After that, using Apache server, they will manage the domain name. Okay, the same site is showing. And next thing is okay, the port number. This one we will check. 80 is present. Sometimes it will directly given to the rights to the cPanel. Last time I have did, it gives me to the cPanel. It is also in some Chinese error. Okay. Sometimes you can get the cPanel also using the Angry IP scanner. M3 connect. Okay. Randomly it will generate. Okay. Actually, we have given that random, so it will randomly generate. It have no port number. We cannot find it. If there is no port number means we cannot find it. And we will try this one. Actually, there is a one website we have down that blackboard. 18. Okay, this is also built by Angular. Angular website we cannot access. If it is a less vulnerable, we can access it. Otherwise, it is very difficult. But you will get the IP. If you have a well talent in Kali Linux means you can access that. This way actually hackers will use, and actually they will directly use the Python, and they will ping the each IP, and after that they don't use Angry IP scanner. They will directly use Python. Future one. Okay. This is cPanel of oncoming quick. This is a cPanel. This IP is forward to the cPanel. cPanel login is we get the cPanel login. Likewise, we can get the lot of things while using Angry IP scanner. This is the way the hackers using the Angry IP scanner to find a lot of information. Sometimes it take a lot of time because it should convert it to the contact to there. So it have no port. Okay, we will move to next thing. The two things also have no port. Okay, this is some outbound mail IP. Sometimes we will get the camera IP camera. Sometimes we get the cPanel. Sometimes like it will be randomly generated, and we can get a lot of things using Angry IP scanner. Actually, hackers are using like this one only. It taking a little more time. Okay, then we will try this one. This may be. Yeah, this may be take a little more time. Actually, how exactly it is working means we are connected to the internet, right? My IP will be connected to some other IP. Okay, if I ping that IP means the internet. If it is working means that IP will be catched in an Angry IP scanner. Okay, that IP sir we are using. Actually,